Welcome. This is Daniel Boateng. I want to thank each and every one of you for your subscription and then watching my videos. I encourage you to share my videos to all your friends so that they will come and benefit from these high-life guitar tutorials. Today, we are going to look at kwaw, mensa, as people in the Western world call it, Prt1. And then you be kwaw. Na kwaw yi ye ura e friend kwaw mensa a na ne wofa ene Jacob Sam a odi yampon san baaye no na ono so de rhythm my friend no kwaw e baaye. Kwaw mensa introduced this kwaw rhythm, and since then we have been calling it kwaw. Sa kwaw yi si ehwa mmiaye bi ti se ayie ase yetabo pa ngwankwa ni ase panifo atrase a omo fa adwen no yetabo sa kwaw yi e wo ho obi wura ho na okuta ne guitar na se oba obeti se obo kwaw yi e wo mu. So this Prt1 rhythm is mostly played at venues like funerals. And then when someone is bereaved, when someone is in a sad mood, they play this kind of rhythm to console themselves. So let us begin. We are going to look at this rhythm in a strumming perspective. The chords like second, the third, the fourth, and the fifth are used to play. But today, our concentration is going to be on the third and then the fourth. We're going to strum the third chord and then the fourth chord. The make any say, see a book chords are a can say one chase do, two chase re, three chase mi, four chase fa, five chase so. Inti die meka nyina se ene ye bebo mi ana fa na ye dia strumming ye dia boy ye Prt1 rhythm no. So we are going to begin with our common key. What is our common key? Our common key is C. The C is familiar to all of you. So that is where we are going to begin. So we are going to play E minor. That is the mi. If you don't know E minor, look at it. E minor. My second finger is on the second fret of the A string. My third finger is on the second fret of the D string. Then I play all the board and the entire board. I play the entire board. Now I have my E minor. Then I play F major. F major. Now, if you don't know F major, put your third finger on the third fret of the D string. Put your second finger on the second fret of the G string. And then hold the first fret of the little B, that's the first fret, the B and then the E string together with your first finger. So you have like this. This is your fourth chord of C major. So we are going to have something like this. Okay, let us do these activities with this simple song. Look at the strumming. I'm using my thumb to strum. Awieye, 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 awieye. Awieye ondasani awieye wokwa wo be wuni mo chinasem wo yarifwa mensru no Awieye onipa awieye Awieye ondasani awieye wokwa wo be wuni mo chinasem ti wo yarifwa mensru no. Let us do this activity with a metronome so that we will have the timing at our fingertips. We are doing this activity at 80 beats per minute. So we are starting at the fa, mi, fa, fa, mi, fa, mi, fa, mi, fa, fa, mi, fa, mi. Awieye, 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 ondasani awieye, wokwa wo be, wuni mo chinasem, ti wo yarifwa, mensru no. Good. Now let us play this rhythm one step forward from C so that we are moving to C sharp. Now let us identify the third and the fourth notes of C sharp. The third note of C sharp is F. The third note of C sharp is F. But this time it is not like this. It is not like this. It is going to be like this. Put your third finger on the third fret of the D string, and then hold the first fret of the E, the B, and then the G together with your first finger. So you have something like this. I hope it is clear. This is F minor, C F minor, C F minor. Good. Play it and let me see. Good. Then the fourth note will be F sharp major, F sharp major, C F sharp major. Good. Our third finger is on the fourth fret of the D string. Have you seen? Then my second finger is on the third fret. My second finger is on the third fret of the G string. And you can see that my first finger is holding the second fret of the E string and then the B string together. So I have something like this. C F sharp major. Play it and let me see. Good. So we are going to strum F sharp major, F minor, F sharp major, F minor, F sharp major, F minor. Good. So let's add the metronome 80 beats per minute and then the simple song. Awieye unipa wiye. Awieye ondasani wiye. Uba ube unimochina sem. Uwa rifwa mensri unu. To my local people, fa, mi, Jacobio, fa, mi, Jacobio, fa, mi, Good. I know that this lesson is useful, has been useful and helpful. Me say, addition we a bay for so dear, na yem for so dear swamon. Then make an say, famre na isuya to boasi in tumrika suya and kakra, because say beka on sano. Please take your time, practice it. Don't rush for speed. Practice this small, bit by bit, until you get everything at your fingertips. On this note, if you have not subscribed now. Hit on the notification button, leave a comment, share the videos to your friends so that they will also come and join the Highlife team. We end here with today's lesson. We will meet another time for another topic. Thank you.